what's up? This is Mohit Gupta, the geeky coder from youngmodulus.com, and this is the very first video lesson from our channel, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. There are two major sections of internet world, that is a client and a server. We will begin with the client side, and for which the basic building blocks are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this chapter is all about how to get started with HTML. We hope by the end of this video you get to know what is intended to give. Now let's go through the basics and things that will be needed to start with. Firstly are the necessary softwares, which can be any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++ or IDE like Eclipse, NetBeans, JetBrains. I personally recommend to go for any of these IDE because they save you from falling into syntax error, helping in creating clean codes and are easy to handle. Secondly, no prior knowledge is required. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It's just another piece of document, static as well as dynamic. We'll discuss it in later videos. Also, you must know beforehand whether the browser is compatible enough to read your HTML files or not. And you have to code accordingly, but that's not the part of this session right now. HTML is just another document file like your Microsoft document files, but with another functionalities. HTML is a user-friendly scripting language, easy to use and easy to handle. It's time to talk about the architecture of HTML, which is standardized by W3C. Doc type tag. It is used to convey to the browser that this HTML file is of the version HTML5 and therefore it should be compiled according to the standards set in HTML5. HTML tag. It is the root tag, and with reference to any programming language, there lies a single main function. Similarly, we have a single HTML tag. Title tag. It gives the title to your page on the browser panel, which you can see at the top of the screen. HTML has two parts, head and body. Head tag gets loaded first, and just like C preprocessor or Java library, which gets pre-computed first before the program executes, similarly is your head tag. Body tag contains all the visual contents which will be shown to the viewers. So basically you pre-compose at the head tag and then write your document at the body tag of the HTML, including all the required elements for your web page. Enough of theory for now. It's time to go to the battlefield and finally create our first HTML page.